Today lecture based on linear induction motor, that is one of the topic of special electrical machine unit 5. Linear induction motor is known as LIM is a asynchronous motor working on the same principle an induction motor works, but is designed to produce the rectilinear motion unlike the rotatory movement produced by motor. Hence, the word linear induction motor LIM is an advanced version of rotary induction motor which gives a linear translational motion instead of the rotational motion. Construction of linear induction motor. The stator is cut axially and spread out flat in linear induction motor. In this type of motor, the stator and rotor are called primary and secondary respectively. The secondary of the linear induction motor consists of a flat aluminum conductor with a ferromagnetic core. For understanding the construction of linear induction motor, we will first take a look at construction of induction motor as shown in figure below. This is the construction of induction motor. There is the rotor and these are the stator. Three winding is placed in the stator and this is the core of rotor. This axis B. If we cut the stator along the linear AB, this one is A and this one is B, then make it flat, then stator will look like as shown is below. ऐसा दिखेगा. This is what which make the primary of linear induction motor. So primary of linear induction motor is flat and three phase winding is found on it. Now if we make the rotor of induction motor flat, then it will be nothing but a sheet of flat aluminum which is called the secondary of linear induction motor as shown in following figure. This is the secondary of the linear induction motor. Then working of linear induction motor, if three-phase supply is connected to the stator of an induction motor, a rotating flux is produced. Thus flux rotates at a synchronous speed in the air gap. Similarly, if the primary of linear induction motor is connected to the three-phase supply, a flux is produced which will travel across the length of the primary. Because of the traveling magnetic flux, a current will be generated in the conductor which is made of aluminum material in the secondary of linear induction motor. This current which is induced in the linear induction motor secondary interact with the traveling flux and produce a linear force, that is I into dl into b. If the secondary is fixed and primary is free to move, then force will be moved the primary in direction of the traveling wave. The working principle is depicted in figure below using double linear induction motor. Performance of linear induction motor. As we know, for p-pole induction motor, synchronous speed is given as ns is equal to 2f upon p rps. If it is converted in rps, we know 120 upon p in rpm. F is the frequency of supply. Therefore, for linear induction motor, speed of traveling flux will be v is equal to tf into pole pitch meter per second, where v is the velocity. The linear force is given by power is equal to power velocity, force into velocity. Here power will be air gap and velocity will be the velocity of traveling flux. Then force is equal to air gap power into 2f pole pitch Newton. An interesting point which shall be noted, if a rotary induction motor is compared with the linear induction motor, the linear induction motor requires a larger air gap and hence the magnetic current is greater and the power factor and efficiency of motor are lower. In the rotary induction motor, the stator and the rotor area are same, whereas in the linear induction motor, the one of the two is shorter than other. At a steady speed, the shorter part will be passing continuously over a new part of the number. There is a one topic known as linear force in our syllabus. Then linear force, an approximate expression for the linear force developed in linear induction motor can be obtained in of its main dimension just as in rotary induction motor. Neglecting magnetizing current and primary losses, the power across air gap is equal to 3 E1 I1 cos theta 1, where 3-phase supply is given to stator and E1 is per phase of EMF induced in the primary winding, that is also equal to root 2 pi P k omega NPH phi, where I1 is per phase primary current, cos theta is primary power factor. Then specific electric loading AC is defined AC is defined as primary ampere conductor per meter length of the field system, when AC is equal to A into NPH I1 into 2 upon L, where L is equal to P into Y is the total length of the field system along the direction of linear motion as shown in following figure. This is the figure 5.72 known as figure 1. Here Y is the pole pitch. Then a specific magnetic loading DAG is defined as the average air gap dA upon P5 upon LW. Here W is the width of the field system linear motor as shown in figure A. Substituting the value of E1 I1 in PG in this equation, we get PD is equal to this. We know F is equal to Vs upon 2I. Then we get expression of force, air gap power upon linear synchronous velocity. In previous slide, this is also discussed, but this is a topic given linear force, so I discuss here. Application of linear induction motor. The main application of induction motor in the electric traction system, when primary is mounted on the vehicle and the secondary is laid on the track. It is used in cranes, pumping of liquid materials, actuators for the movement of doors, used in high voltage current breakers, circuit breakers, and in accelerometer. The linear induction motor is commonly used for traction where the finite length primary is carried out on the vehicle, which the secondary takes from the continuous conducting rail. Linear induction motor has superiority over a cylindrical induction motor for speed over 200 km per hour. It provides an excellent source of motive power for the magnetically suspended trains where the cylindrical induction motor fails. It is used in automatic sliding doors. It can be used in conveyor, traveling cranes, alloys, etc. The use of linear induction motor is limited to only a few applications till now due to design difficulties and economic consideration. Uh, Thank you. If you have any queries, then you can comment.